Hi, everyone. I'm Tom Burroughs. I'm the Dean of the College for Public Health and Social Justice at St. Louis University. We are living in surreal days. A global pandemic, national actions for racial and social justice, economic turbulence, among a host of other challenges. At a personal level, I have now learned that homeschooling is not my thing, and I am completely incapable of doing fifth grade math. I've also learned it's possible to have 5 people in one house on Zoom at the same time. Surreal days. In the midst of all of this, though, we have some really exciting things happening here in the college. In a weird way, COVID-19 and all of the recent social unrest has brought many of our areas of expertise and experience to the forefront. Our faculty and staff and students here at the college have led national seminars, driven regional and national efforts to control COVID-19, and have led our national movement for social and racial justice. I just couldn't be prouder of the things that they're doing. I'd like to just highlight a few things that have occurred here just in the past 30 days. One of our professors, the chairman of the Department of Health Management and Policy, Dr. Rhonda Ballou, was selected by St. Louis Magazine as one of the 35 St. Louis leaders who are working to build health equity across the region. I feel just blessed to have her as one of the folks helping lead our college. On the student front, 2 of our social work students, Anna Brende and Jessica Luthhauser, they're going to graduate in 2020. They led the development and launch of COVID Decoded. It was an international workshop, interdisciplinary workshop that was attended by students from 43 universities across the United States and over 7 foreign countries. Juliet Willimore, an associate professor in behavioral science and health education, was recently awarded a $4.1 million grant from the NIH for the next phase of her innovative tools to expand youth-friendly HIV self-testing. That's in Nigeria. And that's in addition to the $2 million she received back 2 years ago to launch this very important global research. We also have 2 other faculty, Kara Wallace and Kenton Johnson, social work and public health, were both awarded R21 grants from the National Institutes of Health for their work that really comes close to about $500,000. Kenton has also published a recent article that's gotten a lot of national attention on Medicare merit-based incentive systems. In gerontology, our rock star in geriatrics, Marla Bergweger, and her co-investigators have won a lot of national awards and grants to focus on the elderly and loneliness and social isolation. Probably the most impressive event that we've had, though, happened on September 11th, when our Door Center for Social Justice hosted Dr. Ibram X. Kendi for their annual lecture. Now, if you're not familiar with Professor Kendi, he is the #1 New York Times bestseller of How to Be an Anti-Racist. This blockbuster event had over 12,000 people registered. It's one of the largest events St. Louis has ever had. We also have seen more than 9,000 people that have watched it online since the event happened. We've had book clubs, discussion groups, all kinds of people watching it. These conversations must continue. This month, we've also launched an important partnership with the St. Louis County Department of Health. We are jumping in side by side to help lead and improve their response to COVID-19. I couldn't be prouder of all the things happening in our college, things to support the region and the world. We've got such important work to be done, and we're in the midst of it. I'm truly seeing our education and our mission at work. Higher purpose, greater good.